Oh, here's a bunch of coastal breeders. Thanks for watching. Here are the Casablancas. One down there. There used to be a third one, but I recently got removed it, so thanks for watching. Here are some bunch of sea airs. One there, and two over here. Thanks for watching. Here's a Hunter original. It's mostly the same as those ones over there. So yeah, thanks for watching. Here are these Amazons at there used to be a backtrack area at one time. Yeah, that one's not winning. They got these things here and then they got more Amazons. So thanks for watching. Here are some fan making Questford, I believe, at this Harvey thing down there. Thanks for watching. This is the gazebo too. Same as that one. And there's more fans over here. I'll show you guys those ones. If it's open. Oh, I think it's over here maybe. Oh yeah, there we go. Here's a Regency thing. Something Bay or Lighter.
Had to take them for
Alright guys, here too, we can see nothing over here, but thanks for watching. Alright, here are these Hampton Bay things. Alright. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, here are light builders in this cool glass atrium. And they also have more fans over here. More light tech. One there. So yeah, thanks for watching. Alright guys, here is a light builder.
over here, buddy.
Don't want it? No.
Over here. Right here.
Alright, so here's the Fortune Gazebo 2, Hunter Original, another original, and another original. The fan right there must have replaced a 50-ton version of these. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Here's a newer Hunter Original. You can see in that window the Casablanca Pyramid newer animal. Yeah, there's one. And then there might be more in there, so thanks for watching. Yeah, this man. I think that's the only one, so thanks for watching. Here's some fan mason. Edward, I believe. Another one right there, one on the lowest speed.
Alright, someone be a runner and go to the different restaurants and find out who's gonna send it.
Thanks for watching. Here's some Giants fans. Please for install. Thanks for watching. Here's a mom fan code industry. Interesting. Starbucks. Thanks for watching. Here's a couple more fans. Yeah, there's one in the back there, you can see. You're about to go wait. There we go. One back there running, and there's another one. I don't know what these look like, so if you guys know, please comment below. Guys, here are Hunter Marinos at some kind of bar. Pretty cool install. One there. Okay, that's newer. I mean, they're both newer. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, here is Hunter Marino, I believe. Yeah, there's another Marino down there, you can see. And there's the third Marino down there. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, here is GL. Interesting. Oh yeah, I see a couple more over there. Two more here with their white fish. That's pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Here's some fans. I just think about live. There's another one down there, you can see. Thanks for watching. Here they have these industrial with housing. Don't know what they are. If you guys know, keep comment below. No one down there. Oh, there's some builder things over there. More CL.
Sorry. Photobombing people.
Thanks for watching. Alright, here's some unknown fans. There's no one down there. There's one. We got them on here. There's one over here. So yeah, thanks for